Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. This video is about the different meanings of déjà. Now there's four main ones you need to know. Two of them are really close to each other. So it's quite simple, but you really need to know the difference. Now before we go any further, I just want to remind you that you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's a short ebook that's packed with tips and tricks on how to sound like a native French speaker. The main meaning of déjà is already. For instance, les enfants sont déjà partis à l'école. Les enfants sont déjà partis à l'école. The children have already left for school. Same as in English, already, déjà. J'ai déjà fini mes devoirs. J'ai déjà fini mes devoirs. I have already finished my homework. Nathalie ne vient pas avec nous. Elle a déjà vu ce film. Natalie's not coming with us. She's already seen this film. Then you've got a slightly different meaning, but really it's the same as already. It's the meaning of before. Vous avez déjà visité la Grèce? Vous avez déjà visité la Grèce? Have you visited Greece before? You could say, have you already visited Greece? It's fine, it's the same meaning really. Ils sont déjà allés à Paris. Ils sont déjà allés à Paris. They've been to Paris before. They've already been to Paris. Elles se sont déjà rencontrées. Elles se sont déjà rencontrées. They've already met, or they've met before. One meaning that's totally different from the previous ones is the idea of reinforcing something that's being said. For instance, tu as eu 12 sur 20? Bon, c'est déjà pas mal. Tu as eu 12 sur 20? Bon, c'est déjà pas mal. You got a 12 out of 20? Well, it's not too bad. Il est invité au mariage de sa sœur. C'est déjà quelque chose. Il est invité au mariage de sa sœur. C'est déjà quelque chose. He's invited to his sister's wedding. It's a good start. Literally, it's already something. Another totally different meaning from the previous one again is when you use déjà at the end of a question to mean again. And this is only used in cases where somebody told you something a minute ago and you've already forgotten and you need to ask again. Quelle est votre adresse? Déjà? What's your address again? You see, it implies, I know you've told me, but I forgot, so please can you tell me again? Without offending that person. C'est quel nom, déjà? What's the name again? Very handy, this. Finally, we can't finish this lesson without expressions using déjà. I'll give you three. The first one we use absolutely all the time, so it's really worth learning. J'ai déjà donné. And it's got two meanings. One is literal, oh, I've already given. Say somebody's collecting for a charity and you've already made your donation. You say, oh, that's all right, j'ai déjà donné. But the second meaning is more metaphorical. Been there, done that, got the t-shirt. So you'd use it in exactly the same situation where you use that English expression. It's very useful. The second one is a bit morbid, but it's something we say a lot. Marcel a déjà un pied dans la tombe. Marcel has got one foot in a grave already. So you can use it in that context as well. Finally, another expression that's really funny. J'ai déjà vu neiger. I've already seen snow. But actually this one is not literal, and it means I wasn't born yesterday, or it's not my first rodeo. J'ai déjà vu neiger. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. À bientôt.